Let me share with you the most lucrative way to make money ever created online. This incredible compensation plan pays out 100% commissions by offering you 50% commission on all of your direct sales, as well as an additional 50% matching bonus on the earnings of your direct referrals. There's no better way to leverage the work of others for your own gain than this system. And keep in mind, everyone has the same opportunity, so there's never anyone left out. Here's how it works. If you choose to become a reseller for the Now Lifestyle program, you will instantly earn 50% of every direct sale you generate. Simple. Refer a member and keep 50% of the money. This is a massive incentive to get even the most novice online marketer motivated and moving, which is incredibly important to your wealth. And here's why. You will always earn a 50% matching bonus of whatever your direct referrals earn. Let me show you a modest example of how this program works. If you earn $1,000 in direct commissions 1 month, you'll receive that check. Now, of course, you earn it from referring members, and many of those members will also decide to become resellers like you. If 10 of them have the same success that you had and earn a check for $1,000, each of you will get a matching bonus of exactly 50%, or $500 on each of those 10 people. That's $5,000 on top of the $1,000 you earned yourself. So despite the fact that your commissions on direct sales only amounted to $1,000, you will get a check for $6,000. Do you see the power of leveraging the work of others? Imagine as time goes on and you have a team of 50, 60, or even thousands of direct referrals working for you and earning you a massive income. Those direct referrals will each start power lines that will always feed commissions up to you. There's no limit on width, so you can start hundreds or even thousands of commission power lines and will always be paid on unlimited depth. Everyone is paid more the more success there is. Let me show you an example of how a power line can work. You refer Mary, and Mary refers John, and the three of you go to work and earn $1,000 in commissions from your direct referrals. Mary will get a bonus of $500 because her direct referral, John, earned a $1,000, so her check becomes $1,500. It's her $1,000 plus the $500 bonus she got from John. You will receive a $750 bonus from Mary that will add to your $1,000 for a total of $1,750. But don't forget, Mary will have a lot more direct referrals like John, so her checks have the potential to be more. And also remember, you will have a lot more people like Mary, so your checks will grow as well. The power of this system is unlike anything offered before. This plan pays fast. Now please watch video 2 on how you can make a very lucrative lifelong residual income with our team building binary compensation plan. Yes, you get paid instantly, but also by building a great team, you can get paid to infinity with our binary tree.